All you need is love, Paul.
Yes, that's what we need, love and appreciation. That's going to be the title of our workshop this Saturday evening, Australian time. It's going to be called Love and Appreciation.
And two of the most wonderful things to be able to give to yourself and for it to really permeate through your entire energy system so you're able to give to others and to really resonate with the love in your life. Isn't that right, Paul?
Yes, that's very true. Giving and receiving love. So we want to find out with you how your heart is flowing in terms of giving and receiving, if there's anything that needs to be fine-tuned or healed or helped so that those energies can flow more easily to give and to receive. That is such a lovely thing and an important function to have in our whole being at any time, but especially at these very challenging times that we're living in.
Yes, and the whole topic of appreciation really is about how do we, with love, take care of ourselves and take care of others, and also, through that taking care is the recognition of our feelings and the feelings of others and valuing those feelings. So the whole thing about appreciation is about truly connecting and seeing yourself and the other person truly and wholly. And we're going to be really going into that in this workshop. So we should be really I think nourishing. I keep thinking of that word. I think it's going to be a very nourishing workshop.
Yes, we want it to be nourishing and nurturing so that at the end of that workshop, you'll feel really good and you'll feel really a lot of love flowing through you. That's our aim. And so we want to have a safe, supportive group to do this work too. I think with appreciation, we need to be so much aware how our thoughts, our behavior patterns, and how we interact with others and also very much with ourselves, how that makes such a difference to our levels of happiness. So that's something we're going to be working on in addition to helping you fine tune your love faculties.
Yes. I'm personally really looking forward to this workshop. I mean, we often do therapeutic workshops based on, unblocking, and although this does have this element to it, it's more about focusing on the positive light inside you for inspiration and for self-love and just to celebrate that. So we hope it will be positive. We hope that you find it inspiring. And I believe Paul said at the beginning that this workshop will be on the 30th of January, Saturday evening at 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, and for our UK friends, 8 o'clock in the morning, same day.
Yes.
So
I'm looking forward to this as well. I think it will be a beautiful workshop to do. Very sensitive and just a workshop to help bring out your best qualities.
Okay, see you then.
See you then. Be very welcome.